Do you think screaming, breaking things, and lashing out will make them regret what they did? You believe anger is your weapon, don't you? But let me tell you something, anger is cheap. It's the easiest emotion to trigger. They expect it from you. They want it from you. Because the moment you lose control, they get to sit back and say, "See? I told you they're unstable." They'll paint you as the villain, and they'll sleep peacefully, knowing they've won. But do you know what they won't see coming? Silence. Silence isn't just keeping quiet. It's the ultimate weapon. It's the power they don't understand. When you stop reacting, you take away what they crave most, attention. And when you starve them of your energy, it's the slowest, most painful defeat they'll ever experience. Think about it. Every insult, every jab, every little trap they set as bait. They want you to take it. But when you stand there calm, with a quiet stare that cuts through their facade, they crumble. Their confidence fades. Their fake smiles crack, and suddenly, they're the ones feeling weak. Your silence becomes the loudest thing in the room. And believe me, it will haunt them longer than your screams ever could. Turn your pain into power. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying to bury your pain. Pain is a powerful teacher. It shapes you, makes you stronger, and turns your soft spots into steel. But here's the secret. Don't let them see it. You don't need to show them they hurt you. Instead, take that pain and turn it into something they can't touch. Do you know why diamonds are so valuable? Years of relentless pressure. It's not fire that makes them unbreakable. It's silence. Be like the diamond. Let life press down on you, but never let it crack you. Let them see something they can't destroy. Walking away is power, not weakness. Some people will tell you that walking away means you're weak. They'll say you're scared. But the truth? Walking away is power. It means they're not worth your time, not worth your energy. When you leave them standing there, yelling at nothing, you've already won. They'll hate it. They'll hate that you didn't sink to their level. But that's the beauty of silence. It doesn't just protect you, it destroys them. They'll replay every moment, trying to figure out where they lost control. Meanwhile, you'll be miles ahead, untouchable. Success is the best revenge. There was once a man who spent years planning his revenge. He burned bridges, ruined relationships, and lived for the day he could make them pay. But when the moment finally came and he saw them broken, do you know what he felt? Nothing. Because revenge doesn't heal wounds, it deepens them. The only real revenge? Success. Building a life so full and meaningful that they become irrelevant. Think about it. What hurts more? Seeing someone cry over you, or seeing them thrive without you? That's why you stay silent. That's why you move forward. Because nothing breaks an enemy more than realizing they have no power over you anymore. The world doesn't care, so why should you? Here's a hard truth. Most people don't care about your pain. They won't lose sleep over your tears. They'll step on you, laugh, and move on. So why waste your energy trying to make them understand? Instead, let your actions speak louder than words. Let your silence scream for you. There's a saying, The wolf doesn't concern itself with the opinion of sheep. You're the wolf, strong, silent, and untouchable. Let them talk. Let them gossip. Let them try to pull you down. A wolf doesn't fight in the mud. It watches. It waits. It moves with purpose. Stop chasing, start winning. You want them to feel your pain? Then stop chasing them. Stop explaining yourself. Stop reacting. Your silence will echo in their minds louder than any words. They'll lie awake at night, wondering why you don't care, why their tricks don't work anymore. And in that wondering, they'll destroy themselves. You've got a choice. Let their words break you, or let your silence break them. One path keeps you shackled to their control. The other sets you free. Silence makes you unstoppable. People like to think they control you through insults, manipulations, and backhanded comments. For a long time, you probably let them. But the moment you stop reacting, you take back the power. Silence isn't just the absence of words. It's a statement. It's you saying, "Your words mean nothing to me." And when they realize they can't get to you anymore, that's when the tables turn. Silence forces reflection. Most people can't handle silence. They thrive on noise and chaos because it distracts them from their own insecurities. But when you go silent, it's like holding up a mirror, forcing them to confront their flaws, their failures, their guilt. And trust me, they won't like what they see. Becoming untouchable. Picture a fortress, strong, unbreakable, standing tall. That's what your silence is. No matter how much they scream, yell, or throw at you, they can't break through. While they waste their energy, you're getting stronger. And when the dust settles, you'll still be standing, untouched, unbothered, victorious. Success speaks louder than words. In the end, success speaks louder than any argument. When you rise above the noise, focus on yourself, and build something incredible, that's the ultimate revenge. It won't happen overnight. It takes patience. But when you finally succeed, they'll realize they were never a part of it. And nothing will hurt them more than seeing you happy without them. Your silence, your legacy,